This is page 185. The lesson is 7.3, Converting Within Measurement Systems. How do you convert units within a measurement system? This first page is relatively simple. You're welcome to go ahead and pause the video and try as much as you can. If you need to check your answers, or if you need a hint, you may resume the video, or you can just try the page on your own. Using a model to convert units. The two most common systems of measurement are the customary system and the metric system. You can use a model to convert from one unit to another within the same measurement system. Step 1 is to use the model to complete each statement below. And what you should notice is that we're converting between yards and feet. And for every 1 yard is 3 feet. So 1 yard is 3 feet, 2 yards would be 6 feet, 3 yards would be 9 feet, 4 yards would be 12 feet. You should notice the pattern there. 2 yards is 6 feet, 3 yards is 9 feet, 4 yards is 12 feet. Step 2 is to rewrite your answers as ratios. Blank feet is 2 yards, that's 6. Blank feet is 3 yards, that's 9. And blank feet is 4 yards, that's 12. What they're trying to get you to notice here is that since 1 yard is 3 feet, it always simplifies to 3 feet over a yard. 3 feet over a yard, 3 feet over a yard. It always simplifies. The ratio of feet to yards in any measurement is always 3 to 1. This means that any ratio forming a proportion with 3 to 1 can represent a ratio of feet to yards. So we can simplify at the bottom. 3 feet to 1 yard equals 12 feet to 4 yards. 3 feet to 1 yard equals blank feet to 18 yards is 54. 54 feet is 18 yards. Just so you know, if you did 18 times 3, what would you get? You'd get 54. It's 24, 3, 5, 54. That's how we got that. Alright, so let's check out the bottom here. They kind of throw you a little bit of curveball with this reflect question though. It says, communicate mathematical ideas. How could you draw a model to show the relationship between feet and inches? So I'm gonna kind of draw one here at the bottom, and it's probably going to be a little bit messy, but that's okay. I'm going to kind of draw one a little bit, and then I'm going to explain it in words, okay? So if we had a bar like this, if we put inches here and feet here, because it asked me, if you didn't read that carefully, it asked we're comparing between feet and inches. Here's what I know. For every 1 foot, it's 12 inches. So for another foot, it would be another 12 inches, which is 24. And another foot would be 36. And if you wanted to, you could even divide these sections into 12 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I'm not going to do that for all of these because it's super messy. But that's what we're trying to picture here, is that 12 inches is equal to a foot. So in words, you would describe it somewhat like this. Draw a bar with inches on the top and feet on the bottom. And for every 1 foot, there are 12 inches. And if you wanted to make that even more clear, you could write 2 feet equals 24 inches, etc. Something like that is a pretty good answer. It's a little bit messy of a picture, but it's a decent explanation. Okay, that was quick and easy. Page 185. Good job. You can move on.